Hey everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video I will show you how you can simply add buttons to your Elementor website. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is be an Elementor editor, and right here you're gonna see button. Take it and paste it. Right when you got it, you're gonna see it centered to the left side. So let's edit it. First, we can like change the danger, the success, the type. It's going to just change the color. Then just text here, click here. Let's change that. Now you can just easily add links. So I will just add YouTube video here. Let's test it out. And I will choose some liked video. Yes, this is a wonderful song, by the way. Okay. Here we have it. Now alignment, I'm going to add it to middle. I can change the icon shaping, but I will leave it like it is. And you can also custom button ID if you want, and you can also add the icon. So then we have a style here, and let's have fun. Typography, increase size. Right in when you're gonna increase the size, you will increase the size of the button. That's really important. Or you can add it like here. So that's pretty cool. Now you can also change the text color and everything if you want on padding and box shadow. Also background color if you want to. Really change it as much as you want. And then you're gonna see like advanced. I will just publish it. Have a look. And when I'm going to click on it, it's like that. So we can make like motion effects here, and you can choose like fade in when someone is going to go to that part of the video. I mean part of the yep, and that's pretty much it. So I don't know what else should I show you, but this is how we can just easily add button. And that's pretty much it. So thank you everybody. If you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. Yeah, mouse effects should be right. Let's see. Let's see how it looks like. Oh, so with update, preview. Yep, it's fine. So thank you, have a great day, and see ya. Goodbye.